All right, everybody. Good news as usual from Super Easy Forex. All right, you guys, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and I want to let you know that after a long discussion with my team, we decided to open up to the public our signal service. Prior, you had to purchase one of our trading systems so that you can follow the signals with the trading system and so forth and so forth. However, after deep conversation with my team, we decided to help people out who are lost their jobs, can't afford to buy trading systems and stuff like that, but need to make an income. And therefore, we came up with the idea, just go ahead and open up the signal service to the general public. So at this point, you don't have to purchase any of our trading systems, which I still strongly suggest you do, but you don't have to, and you can at least make some money. All right. And right here is the results of last week alone. The week before that, we've been having some really good, solid weeks. The shock of the coronavirus is now over. The market has absorbed it, and now it's starting to settle back down into normal rhythms. Last week, we had a 7-0. I think it was 7-0 or 8-0 trading record. Now, again, you're not going to always have a perfect trading record. Disclaimer, saying that up front. Okay. But the signals, which are for educational purposes, you got to say all that disclaimer stuff, but the signals when they're sent out, bottom line is that they have been the market is producing very, very well because it's acting back in rhythm. Okay. So I'm just showing you last week results. Then I'm actually going to show you what it actually looks like. Okay. So I'm going to walk you through everything. So when you sign up, you'll know what to expect. You'll see what you'll be getting, where to sign up and everything else, and so forth. Okay. And I got my little handy list. So I want to make sure I go over the bullet points so that you guys are aware. Okay. So number one is open to the public. The signals are short-term and long-term signals. So it just depends on market conditions at the time. When we're looking at trading pairs, it's not just myself, it's myself and my partners. And there's plenty that comes with it. So you do want to listen to everything. Okay. Listen to everything I have to say. So besides signals, there's other things that comes with it. You should be excited. Number one, I wanted to address some of the common questions that comes in. Number one is the signals are short-term and long-term. That means some will be for a temporary time of day trading, and some will be swing trading, which you'll hold them overnight or for a day or two. Okay. So there's a combination of signals from the team that will come out to you through our private Telegram channel. Okay. And when you sign up, there is a tutorial program where you just go through each one of the simple steps and you'll fully know exactly what to do, how to join the Signal Telegram channel. Everything will be explained to you. Okay. It's very, very simple. So just follow along. All right. The next thing I want to cover is, normally on Sundays, though, we don't send out too many signals, if at all, because over the weekend, what happens is you have this market gaps. They call them market gaps. And so the market, it continued on, even though your broker closed down on Friday, the market still keeps moving because it's currency, it's money, it's always moving and fluid. So there's a gap that happens between when your broker shut down to the time that the market reopens. And so we tend to let the market settle itself down and get in rhythm. So don't worry about if you don't see a lot of signals on a Sunday. That's on purpose. Okay. We let the market settle and then we go from there. Also, let me kind of go over last week's results, and then I'm going to go into everything that comes with the signal service, because you don't just get signals with us. You get more than that. Okay. So as you can see, this is last week. And every week I actually create a report, or my staff create a report, and we post it into the group. Sorry. Choking on a piece of popcorn. Don't die in the video, huh? Sorry about that. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Thank you, Jesus. So anyway, this is what we post in the group at the end on the weekend so that you can clearly see what the results were from the signals, good or bad. But last week, this is what happened. So we post all the signals that were sent out, okay? And we total up the wins. So you'll have some that were complete winners. That means they did hit to take profit. And so that's what we call total wins. If there was a loss, we'll post it here. Also, we have a category called closed early in profit. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 of those that closed early in profit, which means sometimes when the signal is sent out, what happens is it will come very close to the target and start dancing around. So if it comes close to the target, or we find that it produced enough pips for us to be in profit and good profit, sometimes we'll send out an alert to let everybody know, hey, let's just close it. Let's not be greedy. So you will sometimes get those kind of signals. And that's why you see that we had several that closed early in profit. Okay. Then you have this category here, closed early and lost. So that means there, which we had none this week, which what that means is if we notice that the market, when we first analyzed the market, it was looking really good when we took the signal, but all of a sudden the market conditions are starting to change due to maybe a news event came out or something. Instead of letting it go all the way to a stop loss, sometimes if we see it and we don't like what we see, then we'll tell you to close it out early. I mean, what's a few pips? You know, it's better to close a few pips in loss than to take a full loss if you're seeing that the market conditions are changing. So I'm showing you everything. Nothing's being hidden. Nothing. Okay. So these are the reports that will come out on the weekend. Okay. On the weekend to give you a summarization of the prior week. All right. Now, oops, excuse me. Let me go back to this. All right, so next, let's go over this. We sometimes do hold trades over the weekend, and we had a couple of those, and that was the Euro JPY and the CAD JPY. As you can see right here, it says holding. But when we total up the numbers, we had 13 total winners, 5 closed early in profit, no losses. So therefore, we had a complete, as far as a total calculation, we had an 18-0 winning week, okay? And the prior week from that, it was 7-0, okay? So if you add up this 7 and 18, that's 25 trades, no losses. Here's what gets, but now again, a disclaimer that won't happen every week because market conditions change and you should expect a few losses here or there. But I'm simply saying that we have opened this service up to the general public because a lot of people lost their jobs and they need to make money. They don't have money to buy anybody's trading system, not ours or anybody else's. So we brought up this service and opened it up to the general public. At first, it was only available to members who paid and bought one of our trading systems. Then they can opt into this service. Now it's available for you. And yes, I will go over the cost and everything. Just hold tight because I got more to talk about. It gets better. All right. So let me get out of this for a moment and kind of go to the next thing to show you. Let's go to the signals group itself. And this is one of our people, Mr. Elvis will be sending signals. We have Miss Jenny, and you know, signals will come out looking like this. It will clearly tell you, hey, sell UCAD instant now, and gives you the stop loss and the take profit, okay? And if there's any modifications that need to be done along the way, such as, hey, modify your take profit target on blah, 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 and it'll tell you that number. We got a perfect entry on GBP, JPY, sweep deal money, and so forth. And so therefore you get updates as well. Here's another trade that we did very well on, but closed it out early in profit. And as you can see right here, this one said GBP, JPY, hit take profit target. Okay. So we're always telling you, and see, sometimes they even post, the signal providers will post what they're making, okay, using half a lot of whatever they want to do just to show examples that the trades that they're sending out to you. See, here goes one, USD CAD, second entry hit target. Boom, here's their target. There you go, okay? So therefore, there's nothing hidden. We even give you right here, as you can see, a risk calculator. So if you have a $100 to $200 account, it's telling you how much you should be risking on average. Okay, and we give you, Mr. Elvis, at least he actually sends you heads up before the signal comes out. Okay, so that you're aware. Here goes another signal. So here goes more. Here goes more. Here goes more. Okay, so therefore, you'll clearly know what's going on. All right, very good. Okay, look at this. Everything's in front of you. Okay, here's the setup that I showed them on AUD NZD. You remember I showed you that earlier? I posted showing clear 332 pips up on this one because I had entered 10 positions. Here's Mr. Elvis and showing his, okay? Clearly showing you. Okay? Now, here's something else that's even better. See, here, USD, JPY, hit, take profit. Boom! Here's also something else that will be coming with it. You'll be able to join the signals, not only the signal service, but we have a discussion group for the group as well, so that you can join other traders who are involved in the signal service so that you can see what they have to say as well. Okay, so you can actually be in a group who's dialoguing about the signals. Okay, but there's more. The other major reason, and I want you guys to hear me really, really good on this, okay? The other major reason why people love joining the signal service is for one big reason also. What's included at no additional cost is our live scalp sessions with Miss Jenny. Miss Jenny, if you don't know who she is, she has some videos on YouTube, but she's a six-figure earner in the Forex business. Been around for quite some time. Some people know her very well. But what she does is she actually holds a live trade session twice a week where you're scalping with her live. So if you ever wanted to learn how to be a professional scalper, hear what I said, a what? Professional scalper. Most scalpers are not professional. That's why they blow their accounts. They don't know what they're looking for. But with Miss Jenny, you actually will be learning and trading and asking questions and dialoguing with a pro trader. Okay? In addition to that, you will also be receiving 2 additional indicators. Okay? That comes with it. No extra cost. You'll be receiving what's called the daily dot. And then when you join the live scalp sessions with Miss Jenny, they also have an additional indicator to help you with scalping. All of this for one small price of $69 a month. And it's month to month. So once you sign up through PayPal, you'll create your subscription service and you'll pay the $69. You can join today for the new trading week coming up. The good news is that for whatever reason, maybe you don't like the signals, you don't like us, you don't like my name, you don't like this or that. It doesn't matter. It's month to month. And you go into your PayPal account and you can cancel the subscription at any time. You don't have to bother with us. You know, we don't handle the billing anyway. You just go into your PayPal account that you created for the subscription service and cancel the recurring payment. That's it. So you don't have to stay if you don't like it. Now, many people just want to stay around because they want to learn how to trade and then they want to go on their own. That's perfectly fine too. Either way it goes, we're here to support you guys through this crisis so that you can make money. Okay? Now, how do you sign up? I'll take you to the website and we'll be done. Okay? I'll show you what you need to do. But I'm really excited about it because we're changing people's lives. As a matter of fact, like I told some other people, what was nice is because I got a testimony back that a person purchased a new car, cash. And I think it was a Range Rover or something like that. They purchased a Range Rover or something like that from the Signals group, from just being in the scalping session. Isn't that amazing? They attended the scalping session, and there's numerous people in there who earned 6 figures in the scalp group. Okay, started with a little small account and they grew it to a 6-figure account. And so there it is. Okay, so anyway, if you want to join the signal service, it's right here. You just click on join our signal service. Okay, and it'll take you here. And let me move my head out the way. And as you can see, it's just $69 a month. What you want to do is go right here, and it explains right here, live scalp trading sessions and advanced trading by our very own 6-figure earner, Miss Jenny. Live trade signals provided by me, Jenny, and Mr. Elvis in the separate Telegram signals group, which I showed you. You get the daily dot indicator with built-in mobile alerts. You'll learn what that indicator is once you join the signal service. I'm not doing a long video on that. You join and it will be in there available for you at no additional cost. And as it says right here, in order to join, you will click right here to join. After you have joined and paid for the signal service, you come right back and you log in right here. There's also an additional login button right here. Okay. And once you click on that login button, it's taking a minute for it to come up. I'm already logged in, but you'll log in right here. Okay. So once you do there, I'm logged in, but there will be a login button right here under the login, or you can do it from the signal service, either or. And you log right in and you'll be instantly involved into the training material on what to expect, expectations, how to get the daily dot indicator, and so forth, and the links to join the private Telegram groups. It will be explained in there what you need to do. Okay, so there's everything for you. We went overboard with doing as much as we can as a small company to try to help people through this national crisis or international crisis. So we did come up with of course, you have the main product, which is our Simplicity system in case you want to purchase it. Okay, Simplicity is right here. You'll click on join to get the Simplicity system. Now, each one of these services are separate. The signal service is separate. Simplicity, this trading system, which we're famous for, That's separate. And then this dashboard scanner, which we just released about a month ago or a couple of weeks ago, that's separate. So, but for today's video is about the signals. But in case you want to purchase the trading system, it's right here to do that. If you do want to purchase our scanner, click on other products, see, and here it is. And let me move my head out the way, and you can purchase that, and that's only $169 a month, and it comes with an additional free indicator and trading system. Okay, but if you only want just the signal service, no problem. Just click right here and join. Okay. All right, you guys. I'll see you on the inside, and welcome aboard in advance if you choose to join. Okay. But again, it's just $69 a month, monthly cost. But again, it's a phenomenal service. It comes with, again, just doing a recap, it comes with the signals that will be sent out at various times, because sometimes it will be sent out during different sessions. It depends on what the market conditions are. But you will also get an additional indicator called the Daily Dot. You'll be able to have access to Ms. Jenny's live trade scalping sessions where they're making a boatload of money, just being honest. And by the way, at the bottom of that corner of the results that I posted, if you look, there is a disclaimer. The results that you saw, the 13-0, the 18-0, and all those different numbers, that's great. But it does not even include the scalping session numbers, because since you're scalping, it goes so fast, we don't include that in the results. So that's extra money that you could be making on top of the signals that comes out. I want to be very clear on that, okay? So I'm always letting people know, hey, this right here, see right here says scalping signal results not included, as they are quick trades. So yes, we had an 18-0 week, but that's just from the regular signals. It did not include the scalp session. Okay? So I'm just giving you guys what comes with it. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible so that you have no shock, no surprises. You know what comes with, you know what we offer, and there you go. Okay? So again, I'll let you guys enjoy your Sunday. And hopefully I'll see you on the inside, and I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? Bye.